Hello and welcome to episode 6 of the Squatva devlog series. Squatva is a new app I'm developing that allows coaches and athletes to create, share, and track workouts. In this episode, we're going to start working on a major milestone within the app, creating workout templates. These templates are going to be plans that you build up and you share with other people, or you can log a workout against later on. Now, I hope millions of people download this app. But really at the moment, I'm just making it as a solution to a problem that my friend Andy and I have. So I want to make something that works for us, and it's better than our current solution. At the moment, we're going to take a really raw MVP, or minimum viable product approach for this feature. So it's not going to look visually great, but we'll add to it later on. Currently, I'm using Google Sheets for creating a plan and logging to it. It looks a bit like this. Now I just copy and paste a template, I fill in some exercises, I can add some rows if I want. It's not bad, it's pretty basic, it's not particularly pretty, but it's very easy to use. As you can see, it's pretty quick to put something together, but it is quite manual. I have to put in all of the reps and the weights for each set throughout the program. So maybe that's something that we can look to speed up in our app. Once we get to the gym and I start using the sheet to log my workout, it's, again, really straightforward and easy to use. This is where Google Sheets excels massively. It's super easy to modify, I can color in cells depending on how easy I found that set. Again, it just doesn't look great, and it'd be nice if it had some additional features. Now that we've looked at our current setup, it's time to get working on this milestone. Workout templates are going to be built up of exercises with varying numbers of sets, reps, and weights within those. You're then going to be able to log a workout based on that template as a starting point. So the first challenge is figuring out how to make a UI that can update when extra exercises or extra sets are added. So let's work on that first. I've used a provider notifier to store the exercises, as there's multiple widgets that can control the content of the workout template. When I click submit, the provider then brings all of that data together and it'll spit out a completed workout template model, which I can then store in the database later. This was actually a bit more of a challenge than I was expecting, and it took about a day or so to figure out. One of the problems I ran into is what happens if you add 2 of the same exercise to the workout. Then when you make a change to a set, how does it know which one to update? Or when I model all of this, should I be using different classes, or is just a general map okay? So it took a little while to work through these, but we got there. And here's what we've got. This is a first pass of the workflow that a user will go through to create a workout template. As you can see, it doesn't look great, but that's okay. We'll work on that in a later episode. Now that we're able to create workout templates, let's look at logging a live workout. I'm hoping to reuse a lot of the functionality between the two, so hopefully this bit's not going to be too difficult. Nice. So we got the logging working. Now, if I hit quick start, it just gives me an empty workout. I can add some exercises, put in the number of reps and the weight that I did that at. And when I hit save, that'll save this workout to our Firebase database, update a provider, and then that'll show in a different part of our app. Now, this is huge progress. With the app in its current state, it's actually possible to use it now on a day-to-day basis at the gym. I think I'm going to do exactly that. Now obviously, the app is in some desperate need of visual improvements and, to be honest, some other functionality improvements as well. So I think I'm going to take a break from the coding and work on the design. So tune in next time, see what we come up with.